Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. Real short episode today. We are kind of working. I can't work without a driver and a helper. I'm recovering from my knee, but we had a service call this last week that was the definition of what were you thinking. Coin's Corner, a friend of mine, has a great channel. Check the description and I'll put a link to his channel there. He went out and helped me, and we were putting the finishing touches on a compressor change. A new head on a fairly new compressor that had to be replaced because of abuse and neglect. So we go in and we get everything working, and one of the last things I like to do is make sure it pumps up good, and when I timed it, it pumped from 0 to 175 in 5 minutes and 15 seconds, and I thought, wow, this new pump from Atlas is really fast. No, it's not. It's just like the rest of the pumps from Atlas, but it is a nicer design. It runs slower. It is a nice updated pump of the 5 version QT5. That being said, I reached down and I went to hit the test button on the auto tank drain, and it didn't work. And I looked at it, and if you look at this picture right here, you'll see where I circled the manual shut-off valve that feeds the auto tank drain to let water out, and it was closed. So we opened it, and then we hit the button, and water came out. And it became Ken's job to stand there and keep pressing the test button till we got what I'm guessing was 5 to 10 gallons of water out of the bottom of the tank that has been sitting there for who knows how long, because this is in a chain franchise mechanic shop, and I'm not sure any of their guys knew that drain meant it was supposed to drain the water. Well, it is correct now, the tank is drained, but I want to tell you what the difference between stupidity and genius is. There's a limit to genius. Folks, if you have an auto tank drain, don't have the valve shut off going to the auto tank drain. It won't work. You'll just build water in the tank. That auto tank drain does nothing for you unless you open this valve. That's it. I'm still recovering. We're in the middle of an ice storm, so I'm staying warm. Short episode. We'll see y'all in 2 weeks. God bless. Like, subscribe. Let us know what you think of this short episode. Leave them in the comments. God bless. Bye.